Volkswagen revealed the new third generation Tiguan. The compact SUV comes with a completely new design. Front of the vehicle has got a powerful look with very flat, newly developed IQ Light HD Matrix headlights and glass-covered horizontal strip. Connected taillights at the rear emphasize the width of the car and give it a unique appearance on the road. Interior is all new, and in the middle you can spot the 15-inch screen that features the new infotainment system. Thanks to MQB Evo, various drive types can be implemented in the Tiguan. For example, there will be turbo diesel engines, turbo gasoline engines, mild hybrid turbo gasoline engines, and plug-in hybrid systems, which will be offered exclusively in conjunction with the automatic transmission in the future. The new model will reach dealerships as early as the first quarter of 2024. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this model?